China's Nubia will host a launch event for its new flagship called Nubia X, derived from the Great Discovery. This device takes a rather extreme approach to solving the notch problem. It places a second screen on the back, eliminating all the need of front camera. We are not talking about electronic paper screens like the ones I had in the YotaPhoneb. It is a full-sized color screen, although with some thick bevels around it. So you can simply flip the phone back to take your selfie with the main camera. The most impressive thing about the second screen of Nubia X is the way it disappears completely when it is turned off. Nubia X specifications. The main screen is a 6.26-inch LCD with a resolution of 2280 x 1080, while the back panel is an OLED screen with a resolution of 1520 x 720. The battery that feeds this screen has a nominal power of 3800 mAh. There will be a choice of 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM, and the ever-present Snapdragon 845 will be at the heart of it all. The software that Nubia intends to send with the X is based on the old Android 8.1 Oreo instead of the latest Android 9 Pie.